Use image blocks to add images to pages. To get started, go to Edit mode and click Add Block, and then choose the image block. You can upload an image file from your library, computer, or choose a stock photo by clicking the plus button. Within the image block editor, you are able to replace the image, delete the image, or even turn the image into a button by adding the URL to the link field. You can also edit the image itself directly within Squarespace. Under the Design section, you have 3 frame options. Fit, which fits the full image inside the blue selection border. Fill, which fills the entire selection border with the image. And Shape, where you can find lots of different shape options. You can also adjust the radius of the corners and explore different image effects. Within the new Fluid Engine editor, not only can you move the images freely or layer them, you are also able to adjust the mobile view layout separately as well.